What is construction management? Or what is a construction project manager? Hello, my name is Akila Darden, president of the Darden Group, LLC. We are an executive construction management firm specializing in the management of large, complex commercial construction projects. I get asked all the time, what do you do? What is a construction project manager? Or even, what is construction management? Simply put, construction management is the management of construction projects using various processes to complete each project with the goal of on time and under budget. Construction project managers are the nucleus of the project, and they are the most important part of the construction project. Three examples of construction project managers are the owner's construction representative, general contracting project manager, subcontractor project managers, the architect, engineers, or design team will also have project managers facilitating on the project. The owner's project representative project manager oversees the general contractor for the owner and also the financier for the project. The general contracting PM oversees the construction project and all the trades associated with building the project. The subcontractor project manager oversees their specific scope of work or trade on the project. Examples include the electrical contractor will have a project manager, mechanical, flooring, concrete, site work, you name it. Those specific trades will have their own project manager. The architect and engineering firm companies will have a project manager that oversees the review and the approval of submittals for the project. They also are responsible for site visits, or if there's any coordination or design questions, they would facilitate that correspondence. They will also come to the project after materials are installed, things are work in place, and they will check the quality on the basis of the specifications that were written. All four project managers have various roles to play on the project, but they have a lot of similarities. Think of these three things successful project managers do. There's a lot that they do, but I broke it down into three specific parts: communicate, collaborate, and coordinate. Let's begin with communicate. Project managers who effectively communicate to various parties throughout the construction project, who communicate early and often, are most of the time successful. They are the keepers of information for the project. The keepers. All field communication should funnel through the project manager. You want to have one person that knows a little bit about everything on the project, and that's the project manager. Project managers communicate with owners and stakeholders, general contractors, architects, engineers, subcontractors, superintendents, trades, suppliers, manufacturers. If you're an owner's representative or the general contracting PM, you may also communicate with the community that you're building in. PMs must be good communicators, both verbally and non-verbally. One, they are your company. They're the company's brand, and everyone is depending on that person to communicate, collaborate, and coordinate so that the project is successful. They facilitate the correspondence, the progress meetings, and they create and distribute report. They also oversee the costs versus the budget and the schedule on the project. The PM should be able to work with teams on a consistent basis for various tasks. The success of the project is determined by the collaboration of multiple parties for a common goal, and that is to build the project within the specifications and the schedule. Collaboration is key. Coordination is a very specific key in the success of a construction project. No one knows everything about construction. Let me repeat. No one knows everything about the project. No project is the same. There are specific and specialties within each project. They are different subcontractors. If you get these same subcontractors on the same type project, then that's great, but things come up. It's either a different architect or a different engineer or a different owner that wants a different thing, or even the owner is the same, but the representative is different and they have a different specialty that they focus on that they want you to be exceptional at. But coordination is key. No one, again, knows everything about construction. You're not intended to know everything. And I repeat, you're not intended as a senior PM or project manager to know everything. Project manager's number one job is to get the right people in the room or out in the field to solve I don't like to say problems. Let's say opportunities that will arise on the project. If you can quickly solve opportunities and create equality on the project or equity, you are winning. If all your subcontractors and stakeholders and owners feel that you're being fair to everyone, you are winning, and that will determine the success of your project. Remember, project managers are successful when they communicate early and often. They collaborate with everyone. They coordinate with the subject matter experts for that specific opportunity, and they know the specifications. They've read and are knowledgeable of the contract, both with the owners and the subcontractors. They know their cost. They know what the budget is, and they know the cost are under the budget. They are familiar with the drawings and they know the schedule. Again, collaborate, communicate, and coordinate. My name is Akila Darden, president of the Darden Group, LLC. I have an online course entitled Effective Tools to be a Successful Contractor. I will provide details on how to be successful on construction projects. The course includes downloadable templates that I use on every project, from residential to government to classified government to commercial, healthcare, institutional facilities, K through 12, higher ed. I use these templates, they're yours to keep. I also have a printable interactive worksheet and workbook that you work through during the course. It's interactive with question and answers, and upon completion of the course, you receive a certificate. If you would like to reach me, you can visit my website, https://DardenGroupLLC.com. Thank you.